Well, hey guys, welcome back to our kitchen, No Stress Kitchen. Audrey, it is summer, it's July, and what do I not like?
Heat.
I don't like heat, I don't like humidity, I'm not a summer fan, but what do I do like?
Soup.
I love soup, so what are we gonna do? Are we gonna have like hot soup on a humid day? No, we're gonna try a chilled soup. And what kind of chilled soup is this one?
Garbanzo beans.
Garbanzo bean soup. This is super easy. We're not even going to use the stove, nothing like that. Bunch of ingredients. We're going to use it up. If you don't have a proper blender, which we have one somewhere, but I don't know where it is, we're just going to use an immersion blender. We're going to use this one here. Emeril Lagasse used to call this a boat motor. It's, so we're going to go with that, right? So super easy. You are going to add in 2 cans of garbanzo beans. They're drained, basically. Nothing's garbanzo down. All right, 2 of them. Put that one in. All right, so now we have 3 tablespoons of lemon juice. Okay, put that in.
Woo.
Now we have some sesame seeds, paprika.
Salt.
Yep.
Black pepper. Cumin and onion powder.
Garlic powder. But you can put onion powder in there too. You can actually use garlic cloves in there and whatnot, but we had all, if you're gonna use dry spices, use the dry spices. It's really super simple, right? Can we scoop them in there super easy? There we go. Everything is just gonna go right in. By the way, I think we used like, what was it, like 4 tablespoons of sesame seed seeds. Okay, before we do that, we got 2 cups of water. You think you can handle that one?
Yes, I can.
Now you can use stock for this too, but this has enough flavor in here. We're trying to make this super simple. You can literally whip this up in minutes, right? Okay, so we're also going to do a little bit of olive oil. Thank you. Sorry, I keep stepping on your lines. I apologize. No. Olive oil is going to be a little bit to taste. We're not going to put a whole lot in. All these are to taste. If you don't want to put so much salt, or if you want to skip the paprika, we put smoked paprika in here, by the way. You can put some other spices and seasonings in here. It really doesn't matter, just whatever your taste is.
Cumin is my favorite.
Cumin is your favorite. You're like a cumin girl. So we're just going to put a little bit in there and see how it goes. So basically, what we're going to do, we're going to blend this up really easily, really nice, and then we're going to chill it for, I don't know, a minimum of half an hour, an hour. A few hours is probably better. So do you know how to use this?
No.
Okay. So we're gonna put this straight down, right?
Wait, actually.
Kids, if you're watching this, always do it with your dad. And then you're gonna hit that. There we go. And then we're just gonna move this. We're gonna help with that. Pull the button down. So we're gonna move this around. Okay, stop for a second. If you need to stop and reset, you can kind of re-stab down into there. Okay, go ahead and you finish that up. We're gonna keep blending this. We'll be right back. All right, guys, so that's it. It was really that simple, just a little bit of blending. Again, we used a little immersion blender. This is what it looks like. I actually garnished it with a little bit of tomato on top here. I know the garnish doesn't look all that fantastic, but we tasted this. Audrey says it tastes like, you said hummus, right? Well, of course it tastes like hummus. It's like blended hummus soup, basically. I mean, come on. So she kind of liked it. Not that huge a fan, which is honest, right? I mean, this is something new that we're going to try. Luckily, we have other soups for you to eat tonight if you want to eat that. See that face? That's a face of not being so sure. And that's okay. You don't have to like everything, right? You can do this. You can top this with, man, you can cut up like black olives. You can do a little bit of sour cream on top. You can also have this with a little bit of like crusty bread or something like that if you want to make some crusty bread on the side and kind of dip. So anyway, that's it. Super simple, cold soup. You probably heard the term like gazpacho before. That's a cold tomato soup. We decided on trying the chickpea thing tonight. And I like it. You're kind of okay on it. You probably wouldn't make it again, but hey, we try new things, right?
Right.
Okay, all right. So what do we say?
Like, share, and subscribe.
Like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys. And remember, spread the word. All right, bye-bye.